Just make it a little bit hot.
Yeah, it's fine.
Should I bake it?
Why don't you bake it?
Gooey?
Just leave it, man.
So put like a crusty cheese on top?
I just told you to leave it. You don't have to do anything, man.
On straight to TP.
Yes, sir. This shit's easy. You're in your shorts too?
I'm waiting for funds to transfer. I opened up an Iron Beam live account.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm gonna give it a whirl.
Not gonna lie. Kind of feel like Pac-Man needs to come back out right now.
It's pretty nice. Iron Beam gives you free level 2 data.
Here's Mario. How do you draw Mario?
Toilet. You got a SMT on the 1 minute with ES. ES is stronger than NQ.
Oh, I see that.
NQ's got a wickless candle up at 27,870.
They have another one, I think, at 842. The fuck was that? You got a
829 and 861. The 72 one, it's got like a baby wick. Iron Beam's interface is actually pretty sleek. I'm surprised.
Oh, I was gonna ask, what's Iron Beam?
It's just like a futures brokerage.
What's is it like real money or is it like prop or?
Not like real.
You have a reversal here. Looks actually strongly bullish. It's only a 15-second time frame, but this is a textbook reversal bullish pattern here. I have 2 micros, which I plan to hold throughout the day tomorrow, so I'm not concerned. So sometimes traders on YouTube, if you're watching, lost my voice, so just bear with me. Sometimes like in futures, a lot of people, they keep flip-flopping back and forth, and actually a lot of people make fun of that, which I think is silly. You have to sometimes, depending on how volatile it is. But sometimes when you see like an A plus setup to me, like we're at all-time highs, Trump doesn't, I guess we're singing out something tomorrow to help open up the straight. We've been up for several days straight. We keep making all-time highs again and again and again. So for me, you know, obviously, is there like unlimited risk to the upside? Yes, but also at the same time, no. There does need to be a bit of retracement here. We opened up green on futures as well with no retracement. We are retracing now here. So my simple thought process is, 1, we're going to observe chart patterns here, which we have observed and remarked. And then 2, you know, how can we stay kind of, how can we be due diligent? It's about size. So the only mistake traders make is not getting the correct size. And it's oversized. There's no such thing as being undersized, especially if you're on a funded account. So right here, right, I'm at 856. That's okay if you come all the way back up here to the highs of the night, which is like 900 and something. I probably would cut before then, candidly, if he came all the way back up here, right? But what's the point? I have $1,000 drawdown for my daily loss limit, and I've already made $746. I can't lose. I literally cannot lose, and neither can you. So one of the strategies is, when you can't lose, why would you put yourself in a position to lose? So those are some questions that you have to ask yourself as a trader. Why would you put yourself in a vulnerable position to where you can get fucked over? So when you're looking at charts, when you're looking at different things, when you're taking trades, when you go to bed, you know, at 10 o'clock at night, and then you check your account, you're like, oh, let me take 2 shorts here. You can go all crazy, up $5,000, I've done it. Out of $5,000, you take 2 trades, you're like, I don't give a fuck, whatever, you know, because you got a few funded accounts. And then all of a sudden I'm streaming right now, man. So that's one of the mistakes a lot of traders make. They keep trying to size in with contracts, when in reality, all you need is these set of contracts. People forget that 2 micros here, on like a 200, 300 point drop, it's like $1,000 or something, right? So like that's all you need, right? Obviously, if you have 20 micros, what is that, like, I don't know, a lot of money, right? But what's the point? Most of the time, you can't withdraw that stuff anyways. And the reality is that when you're up that much anyways, you're probably going to be taking more and more and more trades, because it's never enough, right? The $150 that you wanted was never enough, right? Even though that's what you've been asking for years. So that's just a pro tip. That's a pro tip strategy. Make sure that your size is appropriate. When you have a drawdown, like me, I have such a crazy drawdown now. A lot of people never see a $4,000 in a funded account. They blow it after 1 day, right? So that's just a pro tip trading strategy. Just make sure that you You have like a falling wedge here. You have a bull flag breakout here. Looks fake as fuck though. Very weak candle here. There's no bullish engulfing candle right here. I don't see any strong momentum. Gonna size in with 3 shorts here. Stop loss is gonna be pretty tight here right at the pivot as we get a bullish engulfing candle out of absolutely nowhere. That's crazy. That's irritating. What are we at? 828? That's crazy. Beautiful reversal here. You can form a falling 3. It's not 3 exactly, but look at this right here. We did breach this level right here, which I was hoping for, so that's excellent here. Anyways, looking to the downside, low 700s here initially. Not sure why we're even barcoding here. It's Asia though. We already know what these Asian people do during Asia session. Pretty fucking bearish right here, honestly. The fact that we always just try to push up despite it being so fucking bearish is just like why I don't like to trade during Asia. At least like during New York, like we'd already be done with kind of the sequence, but right here, like during Asia, it's like you have unlimited chances to just go up. That's really it. It's never about the down, it's always about the up. You have unlimited chances to go up. You have rejection after rejection after rejection. Textbook bearishness, no buyer stepping in, very exhausted, so forth, blah blah. There always seems to be divergence of some sort with you as the viewer, or I guess the trader. So here again with another ridiculous kind of, right, pretty bearish here, but we get another opportunity apparently to come retest this price again. Even though you rejected it here, pretty much, you obviously rejected it here. You couldn't even get there, you rejected it here, because you couldn't get there. You rejected it here, because you couldn't get there. You also rejected it here, because you couldn't get there. Here, here. You tried doing it here as well, rejection. And you're going to try to do it here again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 opportunities apparently to come back and revisit price. That's ludicrous. That's what the market's turned into. Levels don't seem to matter anymore. Only just bogus price action and manipulation movement during after hours. So right here, all of a sudden now, right, what is it? Is it 639? So again, that is straight up 10 rejections here. We have 10 rejections here on M and Q. If you come back here in the next 5 minutes and revisit price, I'm going to close this session here because I'm not going to trade garbage price action again. We should be heading down here 200 points here in the next hour. The fact that we're still not down here after just an insane rejection here is beyond me. So anyways, I'm gonna go eat some dinner. I'm hungry. I don't fucking care to look at Asian people trading Asia.
What's up, everybody? Hope y'all had a good weekend. Yo, Longito, welcome back, man. I hope your trip was fantastic. Missed you, bro.
Ouch. Alright, I'm back, had some dinner. Apparently, we still have not gone down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rejections here, but we're still up here. That's literally Asia in a nutshell. These Asian traders, never mind.
Should add to your short, man. We're going to the TP.
You said add to it? I'll size in on this account, just 3 micros here. I only have 4 micros. Oh my god, Mac with the god call out right here. Holy shit. Y'all need to be paying this guy. I don't know why you guys are paying me. Man, my voice like hurts. My fucking throat's like killing me. I need to have like AI like read my thought. Actually, that'd probably be a really bad idea. I get fucking blackballed, blacklisted on every website for all my crazy thoughts. It's just so crazy to me though how you're just allowed to like reject price and then like it just doesn't matter though. That's the only thing that's ever gonna bother me about price action in general. Because right, you learn about price action, right? You reject at a certain level, right? That's just bearish. But again, Asia, no. Like you're just this is like lower high after lower high. There's just nothing bullish about this. 4 micro seems like a lot right now, but uh-oh, here we go. Back with the scam market. Let me check all these time frames. This is like starting to get fucking irritating. Let me delete all this stuff. Okay. Let me turn off all the noise. It's like they refuse to fill this gap here. So it's just interesting right here, right? You're allowed to reject price unlimited, right? This is so bearish in general. This is Friday. And you're allowed to, here's open again, right? It's like how many rejections do you need in order, like, and it's just funny, right? Because right here, someone might say, hey, someone might say, hey, triple bottom. I'm like, fuck you, man. What about this motherfucking quadruple top? What about this 29 times rejection top? I don't give a fuck about your triple bottom, bro. I care about my fucking 29 times triple top. I mean, this is crazy. Head and shoulders, 1, 2, 3. 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 And in theory, we have another head and shoulders, 1. So it's just like, we should be going back down to fucking 0. Like, I need like 90,000 tonight, or I'm not trading again. Somebody quote me on that. Put in the hollow point crash outs. He said if he doesn't make 90,000, he's not going to trade again. Man, YouTube must really not like me. I still have no viewers. Yo, YouTube viewers, can y'all say something? Say hello? Whatever happened to manners? So right here is kind of your key pivot level and support here. I guess, let me just draw my fibs here. So we're below our 50% line, which is right here at 860. So as long as, fuck man, I can't talk. Fuck. As long as we're below our 50% line right here, green light for shorts here. So obviously if you come back up here, it's not good, but it's not good if you're oversized. I personally think 4 micros is a bit big for me. I don't want to lose money, right? I want to make sure I have safe trades in order to make money. So again, always make sure you have appropriate sizing while trading. You're never gonna be upset at yourself if you have the correct size. But you're always gonna feel like the markets are rigged when you're just tripping, grabbing like lottery stuff, man. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna check these time frames here. I really need to do that actually. So let me go ahead and. So 860 is my level. Okay, cool. What does 1,000 ticks look like? This looks like a ridiculous bearish pendant here. They're just leading you up here, hopefully for a drop here. That's what I'm hoping for. When it makes sense to not drop, but again, Asia. What a ridiculous set of candles here. This reminds me of last Friday when you just went up here like overnight to some ridiculous level. I suppose for this sequence here, my stop loss should be right here at 833. So if you break 833 here, your lowercase h is invalid. So that's what I'm paying attention to as we start gapping up here. And what I'm looking for, if I'm going to exit my trade, even if we break my price target, is a bullish engulfing candle here. So if we form a massive engulfing candle, that is where it will exit. So far it's engulfing, but obviously things can change here. So so far we have an engulfing candle here. Okay, not so engulfing now, but again, it's Asia, so these things like to. Let me check the 100 ticks. Oh, here we go. I like that. I mean, you have a triple top here. I just don't know why they take so long to drop it. I think you have the markets opening up here to where you can like kind of see options and stuff. Fuck, I got a bloody nose. That's not good. We got 6 more minutes on this 30-minute candle here. As long as we don't have a bullish engulfing candle, as long as we basically don't take out this high here, or this pivot, which is right where that 50% line is, I'm game for a short here long term. So right here at this like 858 level, 860, that's a pivot zone. And actually a pro tip here is when you kind of look at your rejections here, you don't really have to be good at charting. Just look to where you drop. Look where like levels go up or down. You'll find right here at this 857 level here, where did we reject really? Kind of right around here. So I'll be really upset if we get all the way back up there. That's just going to be like just straight up bullshit. But that is something that I'm paying attention to. This is like so weak. This is pathetic. No engulfing candles here on any time frames here that are bullish. 10 minutes, no engulfing pattern. 5 minutes, no engulfing pattern. They're just fucking jerking you off here. That's crazy. I mean, maybe they go for a cup close, but that wouldn't even make sense. You just close your cup right here at 829. Here's your cup close. I don't know what we're doing here. This is just BS. You close your cup here. You close your cup and you reject it here. Maybe you wake up a bit more here. Looking for a strong bearish engulfing candle here, but so far all we're getting is bullish. Yep. Oh, here we go. Finally, maybe this is it here. Add my hand on the price signal just in case. Again, I don't want to lose money that I made. I want to make my money, keep it. Gonna go back over here to my other funded account here, see how it's doing here. Up $82 on this other funded account. I've gone over for the past half hour, so a bit more drawdown on this account, but again, this is real money that I can withdraw, so I'm not interested in losing anything. This is cash. Both these accounts are cash. Oh my god. It's just non-stop fucking I'm just gonna put my stop loss here. At this level right here, kind of right around break even. I'm not interested in like whatever we got going on here. I'm just like starting to get pissed. So we got markets opening up here in the next 7 minutes here, so let's see what it does. Or right here, there we go. Bam.
Flush it. There you go.
It's like, just push price down, bro. Like, what is this? Bearish is an understatement. There we go. And this is the problem I have with markets overnight. So like I'm up $214. I can walk away and eat, and I might be back down to kind of like break even here, even though this is extremely bearish here. So bears having a hard time pushing the price down, but there's still no engulfing candle, still no sign of any bullishness. In fact, has not been bullish all night long here.
Asia open now.
There we go. Bam. Gonna go ahead and just trim 3 contracts here. I'm not interested in bogus price action here. So locked in about $100 a price, a point or profit, I think, whatever. I'm gonna go back over here to my other account here. I got 3 micros here, only up $170 on this account, but that's fine here. Keeping the stops tight. What I might do here is yeah, this is bogus. Bogus price action, bro. And that's why I locked in profits on my other account here, which I'm happy I did. And fortunately, again, in this Asia market, these Asian markets, they don't follow price action at all. So if I didn't cut, I would have been right back where I started here. Thankfully, I only have 2 micros, so I ain't tripping on shit. Oh, fuck, I got a bloody nose again, Jesus. I'll be right back. Pretty aggressive candle here as well, with buyer step in, but we never filled the gap here, so. If you're on YouTube, these are both funded accounts, so that's why I'm playing a little bit realistic, if you will. I ain't interested in grabbing nothing crazy here. You're just barcoding. You can flip any minute. So again, if you're on YouTube, you having trouble passing accounts or getting payouts, most likely the reason is you're just oversized here. That's it. That's part of a strategy. So again, right back where we started here. Get an exit. I'm not interested in this price action. Like, I got nothing on this account. I got nothing. That's like just it's just very fucking frustrating. Like, fuck, man. And thank God it exited. Holy shit. I would have been really, really upset right there. I mean, that's crazy. If they want to run this puppy back up, fine. Pretty bullish engulfing candle here. Right back to your pivot level, 860 here. So, because we're close to our pivot level, I will start to size in with just 2 micros here. I really like this setup here. If we break 860, which is our pivot level, and we hold above it for like the next half hour, I'll reevaluate if I want to continue to hold or not. But until then, I'm just chilling here. I like this setup. You have an engulfing candle, which is extremely bullish here, so in theory, it is a dangerous trade. You know, they want to short those kind of candles. I don't know, man.
Look at this. It just blasted. It's just blasting.
Yeah.
Where are those, Mario? Okay, where are those Legos?
Yeah.
Those are made out of Legos? Is that Zoomy up there? Can you put it on? But don't put it on. Just put it on. Just put it on.
Can you say please at least, dude? Jeez.
Can you put it on? They just put that Minecraft on. Minecraft on.
Ask your mom first.
Okay. Daddy, ask my mom.
Know what she say?
Yes. She said yes. She just said yes, TV.
So you telling me the truth?
Yes. Look, hey, who's that? A
Right,
giant,
I'm a fucking caller right now,
is
man.
it giant? Is it a giant creeper? I want it.
What's up?
Did he ask you if you could watch TV?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
That's, Mommy, Daddy, is that Spiky Swamp? And Spiky Swamp says, Can you put the Minecraft on? Put the Minecraft on for me.
Okay, man.
We grab you go. No, it doesn't go. Minecraft. I said the Minecraft. I just said put the Minecraft. This one. I told you this one. Put it on. Put the Minecraft.
Dude, I hear you. Just back up, man.
Who is that? Arthur is called Ryan. Spider. Minecraft also. It's not ding 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 ding.
Alright guys, Dallas, Texas, Minecraft Experience Village Rescue. This is gonna be epic. Thanks for coming along with us and let's check this out. Let's go. This is really cool. Let me see your cheeks. Minecraft out. Alright.
Okay.
Check it out. Shake it at it. You gotta shake it at it to take them out. There you go. You gotta shake it at him. It changes lower. There you go. You gotta hit him.
Go get him.
Get the spider.
Get
You
him.
gotta shake him. I got him. We're hitting him. Shaking him. See the little axes are showing up? Those are your little icons. You gotta stand on these little things, and then it activates it. Hit your spider. It's a duck. Don't kill the devil. Ooh, you can chop the tree down. There you go. Good job. Ooh, they got bees. That's really cool. So you have to stand on the spots, it activates your orb, and then you can go and attack those spiders. Get up! Get the spider! Choo, 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 choo. Then we got good job, dude. Here you go, Bear. This little bee. That's cool. Is it a piggy? That is awesome. All right. This is awesome. Very cool. You getting them? He's sitting riding a duck. Oh, he took off with a duck. That's awesome. That's really cool. Got the little bees up there too. Can you put your thing down? Yep. Is that cool? Yeah. We're fixing to go into the little village. So this is the main opening to the main area here for the story. So we're waiting to go up next. It's gonna be really cool. You say the village? Yeah. What's next to it? It's the little chicken or was that a duck or a chicken? Looks like a duck. Alright, so you hang out in the village and practice, and then we're waiting for our little orbs to be able to glow green, and then when they glow green, we know that we're up next to be able to end up going to the story mode. This is gonna be really
Get
cool.
a
So
little
everybody's
blast.
practicing on how to end
Don't
up
get
fighting.
blast.
So that's really neat, guys.
Get
Come
a
check this
little
out.
blast there.
Really, really, really cool. And you run and jump and get your apples. I guess it's gonna be part of the story mode where you can end up getting resources that are protecting and giving more life. Awesome. Oh, look what's happening. We got a green. Jack, look at it's green. We got it go. It's all green. We're ready to go, guys. Everybody ready? All right. He's got to go check with the villagers, make sure everything's okay before we go in. It's a warden.
It's the warden.
Alright, gather around the table. Tap the X's. Get the hearts. Get all the resources. Collect all the hearts.
This is fucking stupid.
Get these. You put them on the ground here? Yeah. Get the sugar cane. Alright, we're gonna get it. We got this one too. There you go. How we doing? You trying to get all the stuff on the ground as well? Get the resources on the ground. Oh, it's moving. Oh, yo. Whoa. Is this snowy biome? Yo. Yo. Oh. We're in a different biome. Alright, what do we got? Oh, we got a wolf. That's cool. You can love on the wolves. Alright, so now we gotta end up getting these resources here. Whoa. Hey, they got chests over here. There you go, there's golden apples. Yep. And the chest. Let's see if we can end up opening the chest again. Oh, we opened it. Alright, we got golden apples. Outstanding. There's another chest. Yep, we need all the apples. Ooh. Alright, hey, Jeff, come over here, let's get it. Watch, you're gonna grab them, they're gonna fall on the ground. You gotta touch them. You gotta get them. Good job, man. It's gonna reopen, you ready? Alright, let's get it. Yep. So shake, 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 shake. And we're opening it. And all the resources are falling on the ground. You gotta touch them. Get them all. There's one here. Look, down below. Got one. You got one here? Watch it, step on it. You gotta step on it. Oh, good job. Oh, we got lots of apples and resources. Let's go. Super cool. Oh, I hear it again. Yo. Oh, it's underwater. It's underwater. Let's see how we do. Alright. Yo. That is sick. Get the chest, get the chest. Alright, we're gonna get the chest here. There you go, bars. Alright, let's get them all. Alright. Yo. Very, very cool. See the dolphins?
Oh no, it's snowing.
Yo, what is this guy? You see that big massive guy? That's an elder guardian. Dude, that guy is cool looking, man. Whoa, here he comes. That guy's huge. Oh, see the turtle? That's awesome. Alright, let's get all the resources. Open it. Get right behind you. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yep, we got back up. We got shake. Here it comes. You gotta step on him. Let's go, bars. Good job. Alright. Get these two. Alright. Woo. Oh man. Alright, we got all of our resources we needed. Alright, it looks like we're gonna be heading over to the next room. We've got the green light. We've cleared this room. Well, let's head to the next one now. zombies everywhere that we gotta fight inside. Go after 'em.
I'm on YouTube. Try like not to, it's just loud for people.
Man, it's going wild here.
Got the bite.
Alright, get him, dude. Alright, hook up, ready? Choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 choo. We gotta get him. We got him there. Oh, we gotta get the zombies. Oh, we're gonna get him. Get him. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got more zombies. Oh, man. Getting overtaken. Getting overtaken by them all. Yeah. Yo, what's up? What's in here? We gotta go to. They got the minecart. It's a minecart in the game. Yo, are you gonna get the minecart? Alright, we're in the minecart. Ready? Yo. Lots of creepers. Alright. So everybody's fighting off all the bad guys and creepers and alright, so let's go back to fight. Oh, we're getting them up. We gotta stand in the thing. Good job, man. Let's go after it. Get up. Alright, we gotta, yeah, don't hit the piggy. So a little sword pops up, and that's your sword that you're using to hit everybody with. This is awesome. Alright, and then over here, it's gonna end up being how many resources we need. Yep. Sophia's on the very front of the line. We gotta go see what she's doing. She's fighting them off. Fighting them off. Get 'em. Alright, we got more resources. It's going up. We're working. Let's go. There you go, Sophia. Let's get 'em. There you go. Got another one. Oh, got another one. Alright, let's see where else we can go. Getting them? Yeah, dude. Alright. Oh, I got more dropping in. Whoa. Yo, we did it. We got the green. Alright. This is awesome. You got spider eyes? So we have to get glaze rods now? We have to get glaze rods.
Don't get to the main road.
Okay. Right.
There will be a fire.
Alright. Let's go. Yo.
Welcome, adventurers.
It's the lava area. We have to get a nether portal. Do you know how to build a nether portal? Yeah. Water and lava? Alright. So we gotta put this down and grab some lava. Grab the lava. And then we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna end up dropping this down. And we got water. Alright, let's grab all the rest of the resources. We gotta go over here now. We gotta go turn these. Yep. We got mine too. Boom. There it goes.
Now, if you mess up like me and you put water in first, that's okay. Just put lava on top, and it will make it. It'll make cobblestone. Cobblestone. I'll just throw it in the back. So make sure you do the right order. Now, if you're purple, that means you have a city.
Alright, so we go absorb the lava.
just a little frustrated because it's just like this is just bogus. I mean, unlimited rejections kind of on the way up, but then it's like you create a double bottom, but then like you go up here, okay, but it's like this entire night and it's like this entire market. It's like even heading to Friday, it's like rejection, 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 rejection. Now we have another rejection, and it's like, okay. So right here in this golden pocket, you have a golden pocket right here. You could just do the same thing right here, kind of right here. So it's kind of a tough spot to be in. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's more of a tough spot because it's like, it's just like, yeah. I mean, how many times are we gonna fucking reject something and come back up here? So I'm not really willing to cut at this point because I'm already with it. Just about kind of managing the trade. Definitely not going to go negative. I'll reevaluate if I go back to break even or something. But like, yeah, it's like right here. Could consider this a triple bottom out of nowhere for no fucking reason. This is just silly. So you have a Dragonfly Doji here, and it's like, yep, unlimited reversals. Literally unlimited. Doesn't even matter. You can just gap up as much as you want. And you rejected a big key level up here. There's a massive rejection again. So it's like, now you have to retest it again. That's just illogical. I don't know. And you can even break 800 here. So it's like, you can even break 800. You like came back to 801. So you couldn't break 900, but then you also couldn't break 800. So that's like what?
Liquidity is like full farming this entire gold thing. Whoa! How the heck did Scabby get pulled out? Bro, what? Scabby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How is Scabby full diamond, bro? What? He's full diamond. How did you get a full diamond? He's because he has expert. That's why. It's because he has expert. I know it's because he has expert. Why are you running? The tides have turned against the wind. Yes, let's go. Here, I'm gonna go down. I'm going down. Get go to the middle. We can protect you in the middle. Go to the middle. I'm going up. I need waste water so you can get up. Oh, Scabby, you're so low. Scabby, run. Come here, Scabby. Come here. This body block is sitting over there no matter what. Oh, Scabby, they're right behind you. They're following you. Alright, back. Go back. Go mine the gold. Okay, I'm gonna go mine while they're chasing. Scabby. Austin is there. Oh my god. He owned Jaquavis. He did own it. Oh god. Come here, Scabby. Scabby clutched up at least for a second. Oh my god. Oh no. Shot me before. Oh, he's taking on a 2v1.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. It's like price is just getting bought up here. So I mean, if we continue to push up here, I'll just close the trades for the night, call it a night, because this is ridiculous. It's nothing to make $100 here, but like to put in that much effort here for bogus price action, that's just not something I'm interested in participating in. Yeah, that's ridiculous. It's like, okay. And kind of the harder part is like, it's like, what does a guy cut? Because it's like, you fucking blink and they can just reject price here. But I mean, nothing's really bearish. I mean, unfortunately, it's obviously, this is just algos right here, just driving price up. I just size out a bit on my short here. Just two. Pretty much flat on the day, opened up exactly where I whatchamacallit, started, which it is what it is, but it ain't blown. We didn't lose money per se. I mean, we're down 85, but you know, could be worse.
I mean, the only thing I could see that keep pushing markets higher is when ES opened today, it wasn't even close to its Friday high, but ES took out its Friday high. So I don't think we're going to get a big reaction then until ES fills in some of this downside from Friday close.
Oh, already swept Friday, you said?
Yeah, NQ already swept it into open, but ES is lagging.
How much? How far is whatever it's called from highs? ES.
So ES opened tonight at around 728, and all-time highs are at 73, 730. You got a FVG at around 729 level. Question is, does ES have enough liquidity to get back up there?
I don't know how the hell they have enough liquidity. That looks like a fucking short right here. Like a wick right here that you wouldn't want to enter long. But I guess, have you even gone up like 50% of that? Or where's Friday?
And you got a downtrend line perfectly on ES currently.
What did you say? Something about 78? Did you say 78 for you? For ES?
Yeah, it's got a fair value gap.
Yeah, I could see it going back to 80. I'm just like, I'd be like fucking very just fucking surprised. That's crazy. It makes sense though. I mean, but
7290 is the gap.
man, I fucking hate ES. It just moves like a turtle. Like it's just crazy. It's like it just stays still. I just don't even understand why the indice is even allowed anymore. It needs to be like re-rated. They need to get rid of these like fake stocks with fake market caps. There needs to be like a better criteria to be in the S&P because there's no reason why the Nasdaq should be moving like up and down, and this like has moved like not even an inch. That's the real problem here.
They got a lot of supply they gotta offload. That's the problem.
Yeah. As these algos fighting each other. Man, I am tired. to see like a nice trade through, but I'm like gassed right now. I'm like so tired. I'm trying to lift weights right now, like lift in my gym. Fuck. I was doing a video last week. I think you were there, Mac. I was showing how like I had like 5 macros, and then I had like fucking 20 contract. I would add 6 M and Q, and then I had like 20 MES, and about for 15 straight minutes, you could have scalped M and Q for about close to like $700. But like with MES, or with MES, you would have been like negative like $55. Like if I were to grab contracts right now for MES, by the time your contract goes the right way on MES, you can just look at the charts, guys, on YouTube. By the time you grab a contract at MES, you have to have like 40 contracts to do the same as like just 5 micros here. So 5 micros here, you can have 30 micros here, and whatchamacallit?
So I'm looking at my charts right now, and I drew out the what do you call it? The fucking opening balance for tonight's candle, and it lines up perfectly with the distribution zone at these levels.
My brain's fried. Does that mean we're going down?
Watch for a clean break of 877.25, and then on the retest, if it fails,
Oh, shit.
we're going lower.
What the fuck did I just do? Hold on here. I just fucking accidentally bought 2 micros. Let me just bought at 877.25 here. I did not mean to do that at all. Jesus. This looks like a hangman here. But of course now it's like a double bottom. I'd be super surprised. They need to close this cup here in a minute. We just came back above here. As above, so below. Bring it back down here. I'll just put a fill order for like... Fuck, why is my son trying to come in here? Come on, bro. Did you change his diaper? He showered? I like how you ignored it. You have to turn the thing. Unlock the door, like turn the knob. I can hear you beating it up.
Let's go for a shower. She was. And turn back on, turn back on.
Okay. Oh boy. Now we got these algos.
Go. Go, I just said go. Go. Turn it on.
I know, Mac. Give me a second, man. You're like,
I like Ultra Games.
I bet you do, bro.
I like Ultra Games.
Alright, it's Zarlan. Alright, the tides have turned. You guys are taking control of the middle. We're lining the gold. We got it all. He's coming back to the center.
This is fucking stupid. Like utterly retarded. You can tell when the algo's kicking because like now all of a sudden we got movement. Of course, more to the upside here. Damn, that's annoying.
I want to give Skeppy credit for saving the day a little bit for your guys' team because he came in there and 2v1 them and killed Sam. Yeah. Chime in. Let me chime in. There's still an hour and 45.
They're just bouncing off these fair value gaps in these golden pockets. That's crazy. Non-stop. You can kind of just see. Bounce, 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 bounce. What's this today? Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Like I said, as long as the base doesn't get a lick of gold, I'm happy.
Unlimited rejections, but no limitations to triple tops. They don't matter
Unfortunately, you're not halfway through the
on any time frame whatsoever, ever. It's just news. I might exit
We
my
can
short
grab
here.
some more wood.
I need you to back up.
We can grab
Hey,
some more.
do not touch the computer.
Grab some more wood.
Yeah, I'm gonna exit this trader. This is retarded. I'm gonna just size down to like 2 micros or something. I'm not gonna abandon it completely. What time is it? Is 33.
Oh.
Let me check all my time frames here. Holy god damn. I mean, like, this is ridiculous. This is crazy, man. Unlimited bullish engulfing candles. You can't even get one bearish or maybe 2. Unlimited bullish engulfing candles here. Crazy. Well, I'm gonna size down on these micros here. What am I at? Negative 200 here. The hard part sometimes is you do have to kind of size down a cut. Obviously, whatever I'm kind of doing right now is not valid at all. We're down $900. It's not the end of the world, actually. It is what it is. But we're only down $200 on our account. We're close to 300. So when I'm down this much, some traders, they hold. You have your answer right here. This is classic bullish. I mean, this is insanely bullish. And the hard part is we're on the 5-minute time frame. So we might just push price up for the next 5 minutes here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just exit here. That sucks. But I'm down to 4 micros. I think I'm okay with that size here.
I'm gonna make it a little interesting. I have a hot bar full of gold. I'm AFK on the tower. Where are you? Can you tell us
There's nothing bearish about this, unfortunately. But somebody might ask, why would I continue to hold on? I'm not willing to cut my entire position, just because the gaps to the downside are kind of unlimited. We may not see a retracement till London. So if I go to sleep right and I have a drawdown of X amount of dollars, I'll size in typically with like a 2 micros, 3 micros. I'll put usually a 50 to 100 point stop loss. Obviously my take profit, if you look at it in terms of an RR, my take profit will be like maybe 20 or 30 points, maybe 40 points down. Just depends on what the targets are. But I'm willing to take that spread just if we have reasonable kind of distance to whatever I'm looking at. You have a wickless candle all the way down here at 771. I'm just so surprised. But again, what they'll probably end up doing here is, and you can kind of see this W arm extension. This is not even a W pattern. This is a falling 3 peak. So sometimes when you have these kind of arm extensions, you have 1, 2, 3 peaks. You bottom out, then you kind of rip up, and it looks just like an arm. This is what they're doing in the market. So you can kind of see it's not perfect. You have kind of 1, 2, I guess 3, extension, rejection, was this 1, 2, 3, extension. So, but again, you're right at your pivot point here. So I guess if you can't hold 901, obviously you're looking to the downside here. But again, what they might do and what they typically do during close to all-time highs, they just rip you up to they rip you up to an obscene amount. So.
No, just give me 20 and I will leave immediately. Give me 20 and I will leave immediately. I'll give you both 20. Yeah, okay, deal. Alright, there's 20. to mine. What? Yo, bro, you guys are weird. Bro. You guys have officially mined 5,000 blocks. Wait, during how much time is left? There is an hour and 15 minutes.
We've been too preoccupied with war.
Yeah, if you guys work together, you guys would be splitting up the money right now with it all done. And we'd call it a day early.
But what? There's no fun in everyone teaming up and splitting it.
For 15 minutes, there was no fighting at all. Thousands of dollars were being mined in the middle, but Sapnap had a different plan.
I have 0 gold right now. That's all I know.
Hey, Steppy Sam's by you.
Let's get my shirt.
Oh.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Were you trying to steal from me?
No. I was coming over here to try and find iron. I thought this was a cage. Any armor though? Or
Hey, Dick Cuevas is over there. I think his stash is over there.
No.
You know, I think Cuevas' stash. Let's go find it.
it could be way more beneficial than just mining. Unless he's distributed it well.
No.
I feel like they're gonna jump us any minute.
What's up?
Dude, Zap, that thing.
Oh my god.
And then for I guess some of the people down in the chat, when you look at the trade, hey, I'm trying to talk. Hey, I'm gonna turn the TV off. I need to be able to talk. Okay, relax. So when you guys are looking at the trades, or excuse me, when you guys are looking at the screens, you guys need to detach yourself from the money. If you guys think minus $700 a lot, I got news for you. It's not. So when you're thinking about crap, I'm down 400, 500, well, my kind of rhetoric to you would be you shouldn't be taking a loss like that. And the reason why is, most of us as traders, we haven't gotten our first payouts. So we haven't gotten any payouts, or we've gotten maybe like one payout, but we paid, say, 5,000 over the course of our career, but we've gotten only like 1,000 in payouts. Like, yeah, you probably should not, allow your account to go to minus 400. I view most of these accounts as just fun, right? And when you view the accounts as fun, it doesn't mean that you're reckless. It doesn't mean that you're, gambling, taking just round lotteries like it's actual Pac-Man. It just means that you're able to detach yourself, right? And that is the difference of like in a split second, right? And we've seen it many times in a split second, right? You can just, collapse all the way down, okay? Obviously, what do you have to do in order to participate in that? You have to read the chart. So right now we have a clear double bottom here. We have an arm extension. We really have no signs of bearishness here. So then someone might ask, why not close? Or I think somebody did ask, why not close? The simple fact is I have a drawdown here. I'm not pressed to get a payout, right? I have multiple accounts. And again, that doesn't mean I'm willing to just lose a bunch of money. These are kind of payouts that I could take, here soon. But then again, at the same time, it's just about, I think, more of a mindset type of deal. So right here, I'm going to start reading price here to see if, is there a chance that we could go down or not. I already know on the 5-minute time frame, we have a bullish engulfing candle right here. Right here as well, it kind of looks like you have a ascending triangle. So right here, pretty bullish here. You have an ascending triangle. Looks like you're going to break out here. So right here, this is your breakout zone. This is your trend to break out of if you're going to do that here. So now it's just about managing the trade. So, it's kind of besides the point. But you also have a falling 3 reversal. You see that right here? Falling 3. Inside bar. 1, 2, up. if we're gonna continue down, I need to see a strong engulfing bearish candle here.
There's only 3,000.
So this candle needs to like push down to like here, right? If you don't do that right, if you just kind of crab walk down like this, it's a tough spot to trade if you're already down on the day, as I am. So we have a reversal here at the moment, but again, we're in Asia. You also have a double bottom here. So what I'll need to do here in order to master trade is we need to break 900. If you cannot break 900, I probably will size down to about, I think I have about 4 macros. I'll just size down to 2. I'll just keep my stream open. There's no point in kind of talking about price when it's moving like turtles. And there's also no point of talking about price when, you know, obviously we're just kind of going up on obviously low volume, but also just Asian manipulation as well. So this is what I would like to happen here. But in order for that to happen, step 1 is we have to break 900. If you can't break 900, it's just, that's kind of all she wrote. That's not going to happen.
You need to like go stash your stuff because you're like walking around with all your gold.
I already stashed it multiple times. I don't know.
And what you can do here is, if you just look at the chart, what you can do right here is what you did right here. So right here, inside bar reversal should have gone down here, but you didn't, right? Inside bar reversal should have gone down here. So you can come back down here, retrace, and just out of nowhere for no damn reason, create a bullish engulfing candle. So right here, right, this is the same exact pattern that's occurring literally right here. So we have an answer in the past, or a clue at least, of what we could possibly do here. So right here, and right here, identical patterns. Obviously this one just got all funny. So the question is, are we going to create 2 back-to-back engulfing candles or not? That's what we're looking for.
Hey, what happened?
No, Joe, the 1 hour chart most likely shows a bullish engulfing candle. I guess let me just check it real quick.
Yeah, playing that. Yeah, playing that. The Mario. Oh, the Mario.
Okay, I'm trying to. I can't have TV and other distractions. Well, you should be careful then, man.
Should we kill him, Skippy? Should we see what he's got? He brought us cash.
Yeah, I don't really see a bull flag on the 1 hour at all. I mean, all I see is just a bullish engulfing candle. And it's not quite bullish because there's like, hey, I need you to like not like boss me around, okay? So pick one thing, and that's all we're gonna pick. So I'll find it for you.
So, the Mario game.
Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page.
Ah, fuck. Yep. Okay. If we're gonna go down, I would like to again one break 900, but then a pivot point would be right here at also 884, 885, and then confirmation for the downside would be a break of 860, or just right around here. So right now we're just not doing that at all. So these are kind of my levels that we need to break to the downside, kind of marked here in blue. No, yeah, I didn't get out. I don't have the energy and or patience to flip flop around tonight. And no, I was not using open range breakout. I don't even know what that is. I think it's orb. I think orbs are retarded. Basically, like an orb strategy is like where you take the high, or you take like some opening range or something like that, and you just size them at 5 or 6 whatever micros. I mean, it worked until it doesn't. That's why you see sometimes people will just take 1 trade or 2 trades, bank like 5K, but then when they show their entire kind of portfolio history, if they even do that right for those traders, you see like 5K, maybe tap a day, and the next day you see like minus 3K. And then they ask like, I don't know what I did wrong on Reddit. And then I'm like, you were just literally gambling, grabbing 15 micros at open.
Go, go, go! No, 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 no! No, no! No! Go! Don't get on! No! Don't go! Don't kill!
Alright, I'm out.
Go, go, go! Go, get her!
It's fucking irritating as fuck. I can tell you that much. Fucking Asia. Always. These fucking Asian fucking markets.
I don't want this one. I want the black one. Eddie and the watermelon.
This is fucking ridiculous, dude. Come on, fucking Christ. It's like I fucking caught that shit the fucking right like at the dime, and it's like they just unlimited gap ups. Unlimited gap ups. Literally unlimited. It's crazy.
see your daughter's birth certificate by chance?
Birth certificate. Yeah, I mean,
I already looked in the box. I'm gonna
maybe
look
at that folder.
upstairs.
There's a folder. So
You're telling me. I have this thing, this password. Tell me it's so to save.
Malachi, please go to bed.
Daddy says it's bedtime. Come on. Do you wake up early? Are we gonna go to the garden tomorrow? Go ask Grandma. Good night. Say goodnight to Daddy. Give him a kiss.
No, I don't want to go.
No kiss for Daddy?
Goodbye. Hey, no.
Go to bed. Yeah. I'm not gonna fight
I'm
you.
on stream. I don't need noise.
Daddy says goodnight. Tell him something then.
I'm a
No, I don't want that time.
This is ridiculous. This is just retarded. I don't want to trade this if it's going to be like this all night. I'll just close out the account for the night. Right, I got stopped out. All right, that's it for me. I'll probably hop on back around like maybe London, but I'm not going to trade this.